Hi guys, you all must be wondering what my voice is doing in your welcome video. But well, before we get on to this welcoming stuff, I think it's imperative that I introduce myself. I am a pure Delhiite, born and brought up in Delhi itself. But when I got into this MBA, I was considered to be unique. People would say, oh my god, this guy is into MBA. But now when I look around, everybody is doing an MBA. But I am satisfied. I am happy and I am proud. Because I have earned a name for myself. In fact, in those times, the metro that you just saw at the beginning of the video was not even conceptualized. There wasn't a Levi's, there wasn't a Puma, there wasn't a KFC, and there wasn't a McDonald's. But there was Chacha Ki Chole Bhature. Now, since I have shared so much about my life and my career with you guys, can you take a wild guess at who am I? No? Finding it difficult? Let me make it easier for you. You know what? My rivals do a lot of branding, but I don't believe in that. I believe in quality. And that is exactly what I've stressed upon all through my management career. Although I have a very small mind, but the amount of memory that I can hold is infinite. And as science and technology has proved time and again, small pen drives hold larger capacities. At least now, can you guess who I am? Not yet? Okay then, let me give you the simplest clue. I am immortal. I was born in 1954 and I'm 60 years old. I'm 60 years young. I am FMS Delhi.
Hey, I'm Garima Madan. I'm basically from Delhi and did my electronics and instrumentation engineering from BITS Pilani Goa campus. I've also worked for a few years in Intel and Cadence, and I'm here at FMS pursuing my MBA.
Hi, I'm Kajal from Delhi. I'm an electronics engineer from NIT Kurukshetra. I have been here at Vertex from Samsung as software engineer.
Hi, I'm Surabhi. I'm a computer science engineer from IB University and I have worked with Infosys for around 18 months.
Hi, I'm Abhishek. I did my engineering from NSIT and I did it in instrumentation control, and I'm a fresher.
Hi, I'm Akshay from Delhi, and like most of you, I'm an accidental engineer, a fresher from Delhi College of Engineering with an IT background, finally doing an MBA in marketing and finance. And being a fresher, I don't think I have a lot of yarn to give.
He's Shraddha Saurabh from Ranchi. He has some years of work experience in the Indian Army, but all traits of being a true soldier, from the way he walks, talks, everything.
And as I know her, she is Mehak Kapoor as the bachelor. She's the true consultant, consults in each and everything possible. And she's a true Delhiite in all means possible.
Hi, I'm Naveen Sagar. I'm a second year student in FMS.
Hopefully don't.
I'm a Delhiite and I'm a fresher. I did my graduation from Guru Tegh Bahadur Institute of Technology, Delhi. And after that, I landed up there.
Hi, I am Dhruv Pandey.
Yeah,
I'm a Delhiite. I'm a fresher. I have done my graduation in computer engineering from National Institute of Technology, Surat. And now I'm here.
FMS at 60, I would say I feel privileged to be a part of such a great institution which has evolved over the last 60 years.
It's 60 years worth of knowledge being resonated through these very walls, and 60 years worth of experience being piled up every single day.
It's a college with the strongest foundation, based on the principles of learning.
Of course, it's the Red Building of Dreams, which is great.
It's been so old. Not that it requires a stick to walk, but definitely it's come up a very long way.
So 60 years tells you that it must have seen generations of managers, alumni, faculty, and all of them have been veterans in their field.
First college to give the degree of MBA in the country has produced professionals which have gone beyond them. They have been excellent all over the world. taken the industry to a new level, taken management education to a new level.
It's a place where we not only have fun, but also learn so much and take away so many memories.
And it's 60 years of legacy that we and now you people have to carry forward with you. And we are very, very proud to be a part of that. We are a batch which is passing out in the 60th year of FMS's journey.
What makes us different from others is the enthusiasm, which carries on, and I think over the years it has been increasing. So we hope that you guys will carry it forward better than us.
Best moments at FMS. Too many.
If I had to pick one, it'll be those crazy days when you're sleeping in two and your friends wake you up and then you go to Murthal for paranthas. That is something you will cherish throughout.
So the best moment for me so far was winning PepsiCo BIAC, presenting in front of PepsiCo India CEO Mr. Shiv Kumar, getting a pre-placement offer from PepsiCo way in advance, even before the first year ended, and getting a chance to meet Indra Nooyi herself in New York. So that was my best moment.
I think there's one memory that has really stayed in our minds in the past 1 year, and that is the celebrations after our whole batch got placed in summer.
So my best moment won't be as glamorous as her, so she was brilliant in that. So my best moment was as soon as I stepped into FMS, as soon as I saw my name in the shortlist, that was the dream for me, and it has been a dream ever since.
For me, my best moment would be when I was organizing the alumni meet. Remember when we had thousands of people? We had an alumni meet in Indian Habitat Center. So that feeling of being on the stage and representing FMS and meeting FMS was the best.
When we all got placed, the entire batch got placed after summers, there was a hold, and we came all the way from the second floor to the ground floor, and we danced on it all.
I think at least for 1 hour that whole was inside, and the whole batch was on the stairs and everything, and everybody was just dancing around crazy, hugging each other, hugging the placement team. And then we brought out all the placement team members, and everybody had their GPS. There was a whole cake here. The whole batch was going back.
Huge ass cake, and I mean really the thing is that thing strengthened our feeling as a batch. I mean, we get placed as a batch, we live these 2 years as a batch.
And the kind of bonding that you see here, you don't see that in your undergraduate life.
And that is the best moment.
That is the best moment.
Stress busters.
Anna's chai.
Red Bull. Chai from FMS canteen.
Chacha ke chole bhature, Kamla Nagar ke Golgappa.
And Banta Wala Bhaiya. Right there.
Stress buster for me at FMS is playing football at 4:30. So there are plenty of things that we can do. But the best part being a football fanatic, I think this football plans that we make on the spot and that to work out every day, that is the best stress buster for me.
So yeah, MBA curriculum is definitely hectic and there's a lot of stress. But what better way than spending it with the first love of my life, basketball.
We're talking about stress busters. I think two things strike my mind. One is there's a tea stall here that serves amazing chai. Sudama is the guy who serves it.
Sudama.
I don't think Sudama.
You just made that up.
No. Who have you ever
He makes that up. Stress busters, friends, amazing friends. Most of the friends live here nearby in flats. For me, the stress buster has always been I go to their place, hang out, drink sometimes, chill, relax. That has always been a stress buster. I don't trust it. That's not normal.
For me, the stress buster would be chilling out with friends and taking long night walks in the wide green lanes of North Campus.
I still remember it was raining and we were still playing badminton, and you know, that are the moments that I really feel that you do not feel stress when sports is around. So that's good.
That was good, but actually it was raining outside. The TT room is perfectly safe.
Craziest things. Deadlines. Assignments at 4 and submission at 4:59:59. 1 second late and you're done.
So the craziest thing after I came here was an escape to India Gate, where we left for the midnight and we came back only at 5 or 6 in the morning.
Talking about crazy things, there are far too many.
not a lot can be said in front of the camera. We're talking about a few. One of them was a road trip to McLeodganj, which we hit after our summers, and it was superb.
So I'm involved in dramatics and filming here. So we did a play for Boston Consulting Group. I guess you must have heard of it. And we practiced the entire play in just 2 days. So it was very crazy, but it was an amazing experience. And another amazing and crazy experience was when we shot a film. The competition was judged by Ogilvy Mehta. So we shot that film in 4 to 5 hours. So pretty hectic, pretty crazy, but amazing experience.
The craziest thing at FMS that we've done is the weekend or weekly drives to Murthal. I never like the food anyways. I don't understand why we go there. That's great. We do.
And why go so far? I mean, our drives to the Ridge Road have been the craziest things that I have done at 4 o'clock in the morning when it's pitch dark and you're there at the Ridge Road. I think that's crazy.
I agree.
Compared to this guy, my experience is nothing, so pardon me for that. So initially during our initial days in FMS, there was an activity in which I did monkey dance in Connaught Place in front of strangers, and then redid it in front of my whole batch as well as the seniors here. So that was amongst the craziest things, because these activities I don't dance and all, and this was something that MPA gave me one of the crazier experiences.
Monkey dance.
Yeah, dude, monkey dance.
She did the monkey dance.
Crazy moments.
I think the assignments and the deadlines.
Not only that, so I'll tell you, being in North Campus, we get to see a lot of stars, and by stars I mean film stars.
You remember that day when Priyanka Chopra came here and like thousands of people were storming here in FMS
So,
there?
beat that. Thousands of people storming there in the campus, and we jostled inside with them and shouted our throats out for Priyanka and Pratik.
So you were like lucky enough to get into there, and we poor people had to stand up there at the terrace, and that was something crazy. So
Yes,
that was
one
not
crazy moment.
Yeah, exactly. So there were like thousands of girls coming here, and that is, I think, the maximum number of girls that have entered FMS as of now.
Hangouts.
Just to hang out. I think library for the time.
Yeah, library. Computer lab.
Computer lab, the conference room and all.
Conference rooms and
Classrooms, man.
guest lectures.
Basically, I think library and classrooms, like we shuttle between those two.
Yeah, also Vidaki Okay, bye guys. We're just getting up.
Not purely kidding.
My favorite hangouts. Ice cream at India Gate. Shopping at Kamlanagar Market. And banana with butter at Mumbai.
They've paid me to say classrooms, but I'm going to be honest with you guys. There are lots of places there. If you're not from Delhi, explore Delhi University.
For me, my favorite hangout would have to be Hudson Lane, especially Big Yellow Door and Polo.
CP's here, and 1 arm's distance, and 2 arms away you've got Oscar's Village.
From Tom Uncle's Maggie to the Egg Point to the Momo stall.
Chacha ke chole bhature.
Exactly. To BTW, we have like all of them here right in front of our gates.
So have a blast and explore all the eating joints which are around.
Dude, parties.
Oh yeah, parties. Hard Rock Cafe.
Awesome parties, man. Hard Rock Cafe Capital.
at
Name the
FMS.
disc, and FMS is there.
Yeah,
We have some
we have
awesome
partied at nearly all the most awesome places in Delhi. Hard Rock Cafe, and there was Vapor. And
The whole batch comes, it's like
parties in FMS. That's crazy.
The professors at FMS are our support system through and through. Be it academics or be it the functions of the student body, they are always there for us and their doors are always open for us.
Being a guiding light throughout the academic curriculum, they've always supported us in ways which we could not have imagined. Also, as Dhruv will agree, the alum support which we get is amazing in campus.
Yeah, I think the alums form the foundation of any management campus, and we all talk about the culture that is there in an institute. You don't realize it when you come inside the institute or 2 months into the institute, but after passing through 1 year, we see that that culture remains with the person even after he passes out 20 years, 30 years outside of the institute. But that alum, just give him a call or just meet him and he'll just become sentimental about that 2 years in that campus. That is what an alumni culture is.
And yes, I could never really understand why our alumni came back whenever we needed them. And now, 1 year into the system, I completely agree to it. This is what the system does to you. You're obliged to come back and give.